I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone, welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. Let's check ang update sa inyong love life. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or you may resonate lang sa kaunti. Take what's only yours. I want you to know that this reading is also a timeless reading. So kung kailan nyo po mapanood ito, the message is meant to find you. Magsimula na tayo. Parang meron ditong tao na hindi kaya pang mag-expose ng kanyang emotion. Sabihin nating nahihiya, walang lakas ng loob, pwede ring walang kumpiyansa sa sarili. Kasi ang nakikita natin dito, may nararamdaman Hindi lang pwede ring hindi ma-express ng maayos, itong kanyang nararamdaman with the Two of Cups. So, parang meron na rin nagsasabi ditong ready na rin ako, for a committed relationship. Hindi ko alam kung bakit may takot. Wala pa naman yung mga cards. Pwedeng hindi rin ito nagsasabi. Ang dami, The Hierophant and the Nine of Wands. Feeling ko may nagkakagusto dito, Sabihin natin may nagkakagusto kaso they are in a relationship, Or they are still in a relationship. I don't know if this relationship is, sabihin natin, in a challenging situation or already in a rock bottom. Pero, kumbaga, someone's attention, parang nakukuha ng ibang tao, this could be you, this could be your person. What I am reading here is the dynamic. Pwede nyong i-exchange yung role, Tignan natin. Kasi with the Nine of Wands, ito yung parang hindi naman din in-expect, It just happened. With the Seven of Swords and the World card, para kasing biglang may nagbago, sa current relationship nila. So, it kind of make me feel na pwede rin itong person na ito na kukuha yung atensyon ng ibang tao is also a victim of a third-party situation, Pwedeng sabihin natin, niloko din naman ako. So, parang I am now ready to actually look for a better relationship, a relationship that is actually meant for me. So, parang medyo complicated itong relationship na ito. Kasi, technically, it may be not physical, it may be not emotional, na I am in a relationship with someone, but technically, pwede rin itong by law, sabihin natin, kasal ako. Sabihin natin ganyan. That's actually law by nature. Kasal ako. Pero hindi na kami nagsasama. Wala nang love. Hindi na kami, kumbaga, sexually engaged, with each other. So, parang, wala na kaming relasyon. Yung actions namin, even yung emotions namin. Pero in technical terms, kami pa din. Kasi nga, di ba, kasal. For a few numbers of you naman, somewhat nagdadalawang isip, doon sa mga hindi naman kasal. am I going to really let go? Kasi ang tagal din naman inantay, no? Itong person. So, hahayaan ko na lang bang um, itapon ko itong relationship? Sayang naman yung time na inantay ko. Pero nandito na kasi itong new person eh. Am I really moving forward? So someone is also asking themselves na, kaya ko na ba? Ready na ba? No? Ready na ba ako? With the treasured island. So, may pag-aantay dito. That's for sure. Hindi rin naman ito basta dumating, no? Parang ang tagal ding naging loyal. Kung sino man itong nakakakita ng bagong prospect, ng bagong love. Kasi I stayed in this stagnant relationship for quite a while. Pwedeng pinag-antay ako dito. I was, nung nakabitin sa ere, wala namang nangyayari. Ngayon parang feeling ko, ready na ako to move forward. I am ready to actually let go of the person, no? With the Two of Wands, the Nine of Cups, and the Knight of Pentacles. Kasi parang ang nakikita natin dito with the Treasured Island, dumating kasi dun sa point na I even promised myself na I am willing to wait for the person. I even promised myself na dito na ako mag-stick. Pero kasi that was the promise when you were in that situation, no? Para kasing sinabi natin, hindi ko naman hawak yung future. So, this just happened. And probably my perception in life changed. And I think that that is okay because we supposed to expand, no? We supposed to change. And change is inevitable, di ba? Sabi nga nila, if there's actually three situations in life that we cannot change, that's not permanent, rather, is change, death, meron pang isa eh. I forgot the other one. I don't know if that is the climate, no? Kasi it's nothing permanent. And time, no? So parang yan. Actually, apat pala yon. So, ang nakikita natin dito is more of yung decision ko that time. Genuine naman ako. Yun talaga yung nararamdaman ko nung time na yon. Yun nga, we are expanding. This is human. This is actually human nature, no, for us to expand, for us to evolve. And iba na rin yung perception ko sa buhay, no? With the Yang, the Seven of Wands, the Six of Wands, and the Ten of Cups. This might be an opportunity, no, kapag nilabanan natin or hindi natin sinunod. This might be a missed opportunity kasi the passion is there. Parang this might be a gift from your perseverance, for your patience, for your will, no, of, or your prayers or wish, asking for someone, asking for a relationship, asking for, sabihin nating, magkaroon, no, ng matinong relasyon na deserve naman natin. Kasi with the Seven of Wands, what you need to do here is, ano ba yung dapat kong piliin? Ang kasiyahan niya or kasiyahan ko, no? Kasi there's actually some good news na nandito na sa harapan mo, and this might be the relationship that you are actually waiting for, no? Or prayed for. So this time, iba yung gagamitin nating version of reading. This might be your zodiac sign and this new person's zodiac sign. Kung gusto nyo ding isali yung past, you can. Pero ito po yung reading nyo for today. And gusto ko pang sabihin sa inyo, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link, no? Kung nakaka-resonate kayo, you may want to ask questions. There's a link in my website. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So, let's check now the zodiac sign. Pisces, Leo, Aries, Sagittarius, Cancer, Taurus, Aquarius, I am seeing Virgo, Gemini is here, Cancer is here. So that is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.